Okay, we're back. So, ayan. Naman. Okay, we're back to our third segment. So, like we promised, we'll be introducing Nika,
Hi.
Sage Garden, business partner?
Yes.
Cousins.
So we're
Cousins. They're cousins.
co-founders.
So, they are actually the owners of Sage Garden. Si Pam at saka si Nika. So, ayan. So, di ba magpinsan kayo?
Yes.
So, ayun. Paano yun? How did you come up with, with this
With Sage.
venture?
Okay. So basically, yung Sage Garden, I first conceptualized it, and then I created like a business proposal for Ate.
Yeah.
This is one of the like many drafts that I sent to Ate, because I've always been, I feel like I've been like a lifelong fan din ni Ate.
Wow.
Because we grew up together, as in literally magkapit-bahay kami. So she's like my first parang art mentor. So even if I didn't work for, hindi naman ako within the art field, it was really embedded in our family, and Ate Pam, si Ate Alex. Siya talaga yung the first, if not really the first, or one of the first siya na inspired me to, work on arts or crafting. And then, so when I worked on like conceptualizing Sage first, part of it really is thinking of how I can build like a space so it can be more community-led. Pero if you want something like that's community-led, you have to partner with someone who gets the vision. Like from the get-go.
Yeah.
Parang I don't have to
I
explain
agree.
so much, whether it's like an apothecary or like a tea house. And syempre, first person that really came to my mind was Ate. So parang it was really like a random dinner. Sabi ko, Ate, I have this concept in my head. It's been ruminating. I need to have this executed. So I feel like he would be the perfect partner.
Diba?
Yes.
I was making another sculpture, which was a soap. So I was doing that, and then she started
I've
doing
experimented with
candles. She was
candles.
making scented candles, and then the seed. Then naman, since like childhood, then naman the seed of the vision for Sage
Sage.
Garden as an apothecary. It was like practical magic, if you guys.
Yes. Yeah, practical
Sandra
magic.
Bullock.
Sandra Bullock at saka Nicole Kidman. Yeah.
And
that's
Oh,
what
yung isa yan sa mga favorite.
Oh, yeah. And
Inabutan ba to ni Abi?
yeah.
Yes.
So si Sandra Bullock, she had an apothecary. She had the lotions and the candles. So that was like the
seed.
the earliest seed of Sage Garden.
Yeah.
So, lang po kami para kita-kita.
Yes.
So, ayan. Going back sa practical magic.
Oh, di ba nag-magic kami biglang may
Ayan, nag-magic bigla. So, ayun. Ayun.
Welcome to
Tea.
Sage Garden.
Yeah.
Tea. So, paano napunta yung Sage Garden sa studio? So, yun. Nung naamoy ko yung kasi it was Christmas. It was Christmas. Yeah. It was Christmas. Tapos, 2023. Yeah, 2023 Christmas to. Tapos, nirigalo siya sa akin ni D. Dayan ni Utlang. Si D. Tapos, ang package niya is the tea and then the candle.
Yeah.
Ngayon, ang bango kasi nung candle nila. I used to collaborate kasi with, my first collaboration with ceramics is with the candle, scented candle, which is ginagawa nung dati kong mentor sa photography. But natapos na yung venture nila because it was during a pandemic passion project. So, naging busy na rin si Rhea. So, nawala na yung candle, yung 11/11. So, tapos, naghahanap ako ng almost same scent na ganun ka-strong. Kasi, yung scent ng ibang candles kasi, no offense sa ibang mga gumagawa ng candles, kapag binuksan mo kasi yung candle, may throw kasi siya eh.
Cold throw.
Oo, tapos, talaga nagsistay siya dun sa loob ng space. So, kahit umaakit ako sa second floor ng studio, naaamoy ko siya sa second floor. So, yun yung na-experience ko from the first candle that I've collaborated with. So, yun yung kung nakita yung cylinder na Celadon, tapos ang likod nun is 1111 XAMT. So, that's my first collaboration right after I came back from Japan. So, tapos, sabi ko, saan kaya ako makakakuha ng Kasi tinanong ko sa Ria, pwede ba akong ubos na yung limited edition lahat yon. So, tinapos lang natin para ma-dispose din ng lahat ng candles. Sabi ko, I really need to find another candle na pwedeng gamitin ko sa studio kasi mahilig ako sa scent. Napansin nyo, meron lagi ako talagang scent doon every morning because that's my ritual. Meron akong aroma at saka the incense. So, paggabi rin, before ako mag-sleep, kasi I used to live sa studio, kailangan meron akong ganung scent para ma-relax ako or cleansing ko siya. I meditate. So, ayun. Yung kay Pami nakita ko, sabi ko, kasi wala akong makuha yung nagtatagal na scent. So, ito yun.
The Wicked Warmer
Ano nga ba yun?
the one that Dee gave you. And then
So,
you also
ayan.
got the Aura Cleanser, yung white sage and lavender. Yun yung pang meditate.
So, ayun. Visit nyo ang Instagram nila and of course, this shop. You can buy.
That's why,
yes,
it lasts
yes,
a long time. And
Oo.
yung throw niya is, because we use beeswax and soy wax. Yung beeswax really makes it last super long. And then, okay din siya kasi carrier wax. Kasi
So,
kami din, particular din kami
True.
with how much the set is thrown or how long it lasts.
How
Kasi you
long it
wanna
lasts.
get, the most
iba kasi how we do
the
it.
bang out of your buck, diba? Kasi parang, you'll spend, well, it isn't a cheap product, pero
Oo,
we make sure naman it lasts long.
Oo. So sabi ko, oh wow. Sabi ko, ngayon lang ulit ako kasi that was 2021. Tapos it was introduced to me 2023. So after like 2 years, so, ulit ako nakahanap. So kaya di ba tinatanong ko, meron pa ba kayong next batch nito?
Yes.
Tapos,
Yung mood
medyo,
booster
bigyan na out of stock kayo, di ba?
Oo, yun
Talagang
kasi
nag-follow ako sa
yung-
Instagram
yung
ni
mood
Pam. Sabi ko, oh my
booster,
God, sabi ko,
yeah.
paano ko i-follow? Tapos na yung So, anyway.
Yun
So,
ang
ayun.
daming
So,
kailangan
yun.
ng mood boost.
Alright.
Kaya, boss.
So, yung mga mahihilig sa aromatherapy,
Yes.
or even if you're not doing it for, other purpose, just to have your room,
Smell good.
smell good.
We also have room and linen sprays din.
Oo.
Kasi meron kasing mga, since they want to be a bit more careful, they don't want to do candles, we also have the sprays na you can spray in your room or your linen. Actually, yung ibang sets, ginagamit namin
Pabango siya.
Yeah, so we also have spray versions of
The candles.
So, ayun na nga. Yung sinabi ni Pam kanina, sa second segment, na some of the ceramic pieces, yung mga bisqueware, kung may makikita kayong mga bisqueware, you can use actually yung scent nila to spray it on. Then you could just hang it in your closet or cabinet or even to the
But we
bathroom.
can also make, para siyang reed diffuser.
Oo, parang ganun siya. So, ayun. Aside from that, the tea.
Yes.
Yeah.
We can serve. So we'll serve you two of our signature mocktails. So we make our mocktails and our cocktails. We make them with our brews made from our tea blends. But we'll give you non-alcoholic
Cocktail version.
umaga pa.
Yes.
So, ayun.
Yeah.
Meron tayo actually, after the workshop kasi, di ba, they will serve yung tea para ma-experience nyo the Sage Garden tea, how they do it here. And right after your workshop, you can
You guys
stay.
can still hang
You can
out.
stay kasi
Yeah.
open hours nyo yung
So, since
operation?
Saturday yon, we'll be open until 10. No?
Yes.
So, actually, since the workshop is happening in the morning, it's actually outside of our like operating hours. So, you guys can still stay after the workshop if you
Chill
still
lang.
have some tea.
Yes.
Or kung gusto nyo afternoon delight, you can have a cocktails also. So,
After hours.
yeah.
Yeah, after hours. Kasi,
Especially if it's gonna be a date.
masarap yung ano nila, yung cocktails nila. Ano tawag
Yeah,
nila?
yeah. We have the mint tea and then the Manila Thrilla.
Yeah, yeah. Kasi nung pumunta ko dito ng soft opening nila, they serve yung the cocktails. So, since it's gonna be until 10, if you have nothing to do, tapos kasi na mag-self-love and chumika, ibang mga, siguro, if you want to meet new people or to interact with new people, you can hang out here.
Yes.
Yes. So, ayun.
So, we'll prepare the drinks with
Yes.
Nika's going to prep the...
Cool.
I'll be working with the Kalabugi. So, I think one of the things na we enjoyed when we were crafting the recipes, yung name, yung names niya. So, sometimes like we would throw ideas. Pero ito, we named it Kalabugi because of the calamansi.
Yeah.
So,
and then the base kasi is
Jazzy Blues, and then there's Jazzy Blues, so as in jasmine tea, and then there's the butterfly pea. Yun siya. But kasi when we tried this blend as well, we just knew that it would pair well with something that's citrusy. And then because Sage Garden is a local brand, of course we want to highlight local ingredients, as in, you know, things that are really local in the Philippines. So we have calamansi, so we named it Kalabuki.
Tsaka Boogie din kasi isang nickname
Name ng dog.
ko.
So, perfect siya, nakalabuki. Yun. So, I'll be preparing this, and then Ate will be working on the Sober Sangria in a bit.
Yeah.
Alright. So,
Or you both can try it.
yes. So, one thing I also want to mention about the mocktails. So, when we thought of creating the cocktails naman, as in almost direct siya na, like, this is just direct translation din siya. So, for example, if we serve the cocktails, we have another cocktail, it's called Manila Thrilla, but the base is almost similar to our
We just
mocktails.
add Manila.
Manila.
Calamansi liqueur. So another local.
okay.
brand.
Another local naman na brand. Yan. So, I explain yung
Yeah.
ingredients.
So we put
Yeah.
calamansi concentrate.
Yeah, so there's the calamansi na concentrate. So, I'll be adding that
Kasi hindi ko
first.
makita.
Yan. So, we're very generous naman with the syrup.
Yes.
This would be
naging
the...
cooking show.
Let's just add in
Diba?
a hint. And then, of course, since it's mocktail, you can add something that's also carbonated. So, this one would pair with the soda water. Kasi it's also different from tonic naman na water. So, at least, it's not as bitter. So, when we were crafting the recipes, kasi nga we're also tea drinkers, but also we love a good cocktail. Ang daming revisions. Pero like, we have to be...
yung natin, beach. Perfect to
Perfect.
see beach
Yeah.
location. So, ayun, please watch out our beach location. And one of our brand partners will be, will be seen to our beach locations. And Sage Garden could be there. Para matry nyo rin.
Yes,
Ibang
our
nila. So, we're still working on dun sa natin, dun sa beach location natin na masama natin sila lahat. So, we'll give you an update naman sa ating social media.
Yes.
Kung sino yung mga talagang kasama natin or i-highlight natin yung mga local brands natin.
And then we add in.
Yeah, so we make
This is already pre-brewed. So this is it's the Jazzy Blues tea blend.
So it's a butterfly pea with jasmine green tea. We say it's caffeinated because technically meron namang caffeine
Slow.
yung green tea.
Ay, yung ganyan ng color.
Then it
Yes.
turns purple.
It turns
with the
purple when you add
acidity.
citrus kasi. So, since, again, it's rooted in practical magic. We wanted that mystic effect. Yeah, that's why we call them mystic brews.
Actually,
Tara,
pop
siya.
up kami before we had the
the store.
space, nagpa-pop up kami sa like events. Like one of the reasons that we picked this area kasi we did a lot of pop-ups with Sampaguita Project. Shout out Sampaguita Project.
Yes, we love
Thank you
Sampaguita.
sa inyo. Lagi kaming sold out doon eh. Kasi usually
may
kapag
pag ganun, no?
kapag may
Yes.
art events is usually like beer yung na-offer pero may naghahanap ng cocktails or like even a drink that's not alcoholic, so we also
Kasi si Abby hindi pa nakaka-try. Ako nakailan try na
Yes.
So,
That's
Sage Gardens Mystic Brew.
Yes,
for
so that's
Abby.
the Kalabugi.
Yeah.
Yes.
And then the next
Next
one we'll
is-
prepare is the
Super Sangria.
Super Sangria.
I'll check this lang.
As-
Sige lang, go lang.
yeah.
Baka mamaya kasi hindi nag-record tayo.
It
Good
smells
luck.
good.
Yeah, like it's floral but also
So,
not
ito po
as-
yung segment natin na tayo ay relax.
Yeah.
Well, relax naman tayo yung first segment sa second segment. So, ito yung medyo fun part ng, being here as a charity. So, ayan.
So,
Yes.
Super Sangria, ito naman yung the base is the Cool Berry Boost. It's hibiscus goji berry and mint. So, very refreshing siya. And it's already sweet on its own because of the goji berry. And it's nice for the skin.
Yes! Yes!
The
Love
goji
it.
berry and
Since-
the,
Oo.
the
So, parang,
hibiscus.
kasama, pwede niyo po siyang isama sa Korean skincare niyo.
Diba? At least hindi intake na siya.
Yeah.
It's internal.
Di ba? Kapag
Yeah.
pupunta ako dito, guys, sabi ko, ang gaganda naman ng nagsuserve. Sabi ko, wow, may pagganyan talaga buhok effect. So, di ba? Kung yan naman ang magsuserve sa inyo, di ba? Siyempre, dadalawin nyo lagi yung tea house na to. Ay, malapit lang to. Yung street actually natin is, di ba?
Spring Drive.
Spring Drive.
Yeah.
So that's gonna be Congressional Avenue, corner, Spring Drive.
Spring
So,
Drive,
yeah.
ang parang pinaka, nyo dito, landmark is from Congressional Avenue, makikita nyo yung Cafe Bushman.
Yes.
Matagal na po yung Cafe Bushman.
Mhm.
So, pag turn, if you're coming from Mindanao
Mindanao.
Avenue,
It's
when you turn right sa
Yes.
Cafe Bushman, second building,
Yes.
Yeah, you
Nandun
look
na yung
for,
Sage Garden.
landmark can be,
Pinky's
Pinky's Bakery.
Ah, so,
right in-
papasok po kayo sa building, yung nandito sa, nasa
Drive.
right
Right side.
right side
Spring
of
There's
the,
parking on
may parking din. So,
Yes.
don't worry about the parking.
Yes.
So, ayun, ito yung mga ito yung
Sangria.
Yeah.
Oo,
The
ito-
pomegranate juice is the one
Ah,
that makes it taste like a
Sangria.
Yung alternative na
Ay, oo.
wine.
Mhm.
And then the cocktail version of that is minty.
Minty bee.
Ito ba yung try ko? Last time.
I think you had the
Calamansi.
minty-
no,
yeah.
Calamansi.
Ah,
okay.
Yeah. So
Yep.
the minty bee naman, so we have the cool berry boost
Mhm.
brew. It's basically like a GNT.
GNT.
We add tonic and tankery.
Alright.
Because we're specific then with the gin that we wanted to pair with
Yep.
the brew kasi I really like the taste of tankery kasi lasa mo talaga yung like juniper berries
Juniper.
really pairs well with the hibiscus,
Hibiscus.
the mint, the goji berry.
Yeah.
So, ayun. Yan yung mga matatry nyo when you got here to our
Half na siya.
Masarap kasi.
Yeah.
You can taste this.
Yung,
This is
yung alam
Super
yung,
Sang.
alam mo yung parang a different way of approaching tea.
Yeah.
Kasi ako, I'm not really a tea drinker. Hindi ko pa siya na-explore,
Yes.
but I'm willing to, to learn more about it. More of nasa coffee pa ako ngayon.
Yes.
So,
Yeah.
nasa espresso na kasi ako.
Mhm.
But I think yun yung rurok ko. Kapag nagkaroon ka na kasi ng espresso machine, di ba? Parang,
Yes, yes.
parang may kailangan akong matutunan ulit. So, nagsa-start na rin akong i-explore yung tea. And we have also brand partners kasi na tea na rin, which is the Jacob's Well.
Yeah.
So,
Which we also
ayun.
love.
Yeah, yeah.
Usually
So,
for like si gin na naman.
So, ayun. So, dito pa lang, guys, we can still coexist if we are, in the same business.
Yeah.
So we believe that,
Community.
community. Community building kasi siya.
Yeah.
Tulungan lang tayo. Let's support each other. Let's support local brands, local artists, and even local pottery studio. So, yun nga, doon sa pottery caravan natin na ginagawa, like what I've said, talaga ang main purpose and objective nun is talagang we reconnect to each other and what we are doing best or what we do
And we
best.
all grow together.
Oh, we go
Around.
together.
Yeah.
Ganun naman talaga dapat. And we are actually stronger together.
Yes.
You know?
Agree.
So, ayun. And you'll see more of our local brands. Wala na ako ng boses.
Hydrate.
Yeah. Hydrate.
Hydrate.
You'll be seeing more of our local brands to all of our stops nationwide. So,
Sa ibang
yeah,
events.
iba't-ibang events
some
you will
Sage
see
products.
also Sage products. Tapos, kung meron naman sariling mga would like to introduce mga new products, you'll see it then as well.
Yeah.
So, ayun. Dun sa ating workshop, they have the drinks na, di ba?
Yeah,
Kasama
we'll
yung
be
drink.
sure. So we'll let you guys pick if you guys want to have the super sangria or the calabugi, and we also have a chai and some chill chai. Where we can serve it hot or cold. So you can pick from those. Kung unless gusto nyo mag-cocktail.
Meron ba tayong food doon?
Yeah.
May food bang kasama yung ano?
Yeah, we
Yes.
will be served. Kasi we know nakakapagod 2 hours ng
Yeah.
play workshop. For sure, mapapagod. We'll serve something savory. Then since we have
Yeah.
Abby's kitchen ready for the pastries, we'll
Yeah.
serve something savory to go with.
Yes. So, basically, ang ating workshop kasi for a solo, that cost 2,500. But with all of the freebies and goodies, actually, you can save a lot.
Yes.
Tapos,
Sulit,
yeah. Together with, of course, Pam, ang magtuturo for that.
Jim, ang
talaga-
barista.
Ako yung
Yeah.
baristahan nyo for
Yeah.
the day.
Hindi ka din naman for serving our, delicious, and refreshments and food.
Yeah.
Tapos, AMT Ceramics team, AM team will be here as well to guide you through to the entire workshop to make your Valentine's memorable.
And if you guys, so actually, if you guys are still looking for Valentine's presents,
Yeah.
you can buy.
Why not get
Oo!
candles? Bakit
May mga package,
Ah!
may mga packages din kayo, di ba?
Yes.
Oh, ayun.
The Juju bundle.
Uh-uh.
So you can
Yeah.
pick
Just a sample.
This is the
The box.
the bag that it'll come in. It will come with the candle and then the tea. Tapos meron din kami, actually for kasi i-market din namin, so the Wicked Warmer, yung toasted pumpkin spice, since it's very warm, it's very cottage.
Yeah.
Alam niyo ba na si Pam ang nakapagpa-convince sa akin to watch the driver?
And then we also have a set
Ano?
kasi the Amas Verita, so also inspired by
By
Practical
Practical
Magic.
Mhm.
We'll be restocking yung Valentine's
It's
scent
okay.
na namin.
Yung
So,
ano.
Ayan.
Yeah,
Ito,
so
ito.
that's-
Yes.
orange blossom,
There.
white birch, and
Yep.
sandalwood. Meron pa kami nagtirang version doon yun na ano,
Massage
na,
candles, if you want to do
candles.
Itong
Candle
mood
spray.
boost, itong mood boost
Yeah.
is more of
That's like lemon lavender.
Okay.
Lavender. Yan yung
Then-
out of stock. Kasi
Yeah.
lagi siyang ubos
Oo.
every event.
Yeah.
Oo, ang bango kasi nito.
Yes.
Tapos, kung kayo is talaga nag-wear cleanser, wow.
Yeah, that's why sage and
That's our
lavender. That's our signature
signature
scent.
scent.
Pag pumunta kayo dito, pagpasok nyo pa lang, ang bango.
Yeah.
Parang na-cleanse na kayo. Wow! Diba? Tapos, may clean slate pa.
Yes.
Clean slate is like fresh
Fresh
bamboo.
bamboo.
Fresh. Okay to sa ano.
So
sa
we've just
bathroom.
restocked the Wicked Warmer
Ganda
and
nito.
the Workspace Enhancer, yung coffee set namin. And then the Amas Veritas, we've also restocked that then. So if you guys are still looking for
Yep.
Valentine's present, or
Yes.
a present for yourself, or a Galentine's present.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gusto ko talaga yung massage candle.
Yeah.
We still have a few stocks of
Diba?
those.
And then with every candle then kasi, and the teas, we always give a candle,
Candle
care
care.
Mm.
And a tea
And
brewing
tea.
guide for those who are new
yes.
to brewing.
Especially since kung newbie ka pa lang.
Yes.
Yep.
Teas.
Mm.
Yeah,
So,
you
ayan.
can,
Candle Care 101.
And then the
And
tea
then the
brewing.
Tea Brewing 101.
Yes.
Ito is kailangan ko. Kasi I'm a beginner.
Kasi yung meron yung mga nagugupit ng week.
Correct.
Sinutusok.
At saka matutuwa kayo kasi kapag pumunta kayo sa ganitong community, when we do these things, na talagang we do it intentionally with us, very passionate na on
With
what we do
every
it.
batch of the candles, we always try to set our intention.
Yes.
With every batch. So, yung likod ng
sorry.
candle.
For example, like every scent that we create, there is like a spell or an intention that you can read.
Okay.
Like you can recite before you light your
Go lang
candles.
Akala kasi.
Yeah.
Okay.
There. So even when we batch make our candles, we try our best to like schedule it on
Yung muna.
whether like with lunar cycles.
Yeah.
Kasi
O meron
sakto
kayo
din.
mga juju.
Being and then we have to align with that
cycles kasi
energy.
hindi.
O hindi naman tayo witches, di ba?
More of like, well, yung pacing din.
Yes.
Of producing. We know that, it's healthier to go to follow like certain cycles.
Yes,
you,
yes, yes.
You can't keep on constantly.
Yes. So, kung kayo are into these things, I don't know, maybe your spiritual journey
Yes.
or journey itself for your self-discovery. Ako kasi, kaya ako na into it, kasi maybe part of my journey rin. Parang mas nakaka-relate ako. So, kung kayo ay parang gusto mag-explore ng mga ganitong klaseng way of living,
Yes.
punta kayo sa mga ganitong locations or shops, or even to the local brands that we are, working with, makaka-relate kayo. Oo, promise.
In general, it's really about intentionality.
Yes.
We're not machines.
Yeah,
So,
true.
we need
We
rest.
are humans.
There's a moment for harvest, for planting
Yes.
seeds, and then for rest.
For rest. Correct.
Kaya
Correct.
hindi rin kami like super mass produced na gumawa because we want to make with intention din naman. We want to be work in a
Art
healthier
kasi
pace.
siya eh.
Yes.
Art siya.
Oh,
It takes
yeah.
time. So, kung napansin niyo po, sa mga local brands talaga natin, ito yung mga kasama natin dun sa lineup of our Pottery Caravan brands. It's a lifestyle. It's a way of living. It's intentional living. Slow living. So, ayun. And we want to do it as well with our friends. And we are so thankful na ang liit lang ng community na ginagalawan din natin. No? Tapos, we help each other to boost up, what we're doing. So, ayun. Kaya nakatawa siya. Super.
Wala naman.
We also din kami so aside from like the Sage Garden, Santa Rita projects, pop-ups, we've also been like our catering, or mobile bar.
Oh, yeah.
Nagmo-mobile bar kayo.
Parang sa so we've been hired by Everything's Fine. Hi, Everything's Fine.
Just the shop girls.
So, nagsiserve din kami ng drinks.
Cool.
for their events.
So, ayan. Tap nyo lang si Ninka at saka si Pam. Ano yung mga pwedeng makontak kayo?
You can contact
That's
us
on Instagram.
Instagram na.
Yeah,
Yes.
so sagegarden.apothecary.
Yeah.
And then we also have our Coco cart there. You can order the products there.
Okay. Ano naman yun dun sa Liquid Bayan, di ba? Alright. So, ayun. Ito, one last question. Ito kasi, kailangan ko itong sabihin. Kailangan ko siyang i-share. And gusto ko rin malaman kung ano yung siguro, what you think about it. Na, have you ever experienced or na when you created this or when you are doing it, kasi may nagtanong to sa akin, have you ever felt doubt?
Definitely. Every single
Diba?
day. Every single day.
Yeah.
Kasi I feel like it also comes naturally yung feelings of doubt, especially if what you're working with is so close to you.
Yes,
Kasi this, like, even like the people that we would like, parang we would hire them as assistants. Like, we're so intentional about the people that we let in.
Yes,
Kasi
yes.
nga, we have
Same
to
as
keep
us.
So we have to, parang there's this innate feeling of wanting to keep the integrity. And I think somehow, you have those feelings of doubt.
Correct,
Kasi,
correct.
but I read something na parang, yung feelings of doubt, it actually won't ever like go away.
Go away.
Parang
Definitely,
mas nakakatakot yung
if you're
having
just
an
stagnant.
Certain.
Yes.
It's like there's
Walang growth.
Yes.
Parang
Oo.
it stops you from growing.
Correct. So yung
Yeah.
feelings of doubt, it's actually like your body opening up to like yung just that reality na you're actually growing kasi there's no
And
final form.
exploring. And learning.
So, yes. So,
Right?
yeah. So, yung doubt na yon never siya nag-go away. Especially when we opened this store. Kasi nga, it's only been a year since we started operating.
the
But,
pop-up life.
like, the pop-up life, nakakapagod din talaga siya. As much as
Hit or
we...
miss din kasi. I mean, each area has its own different kinds of community. And that was, kaya rin naman kami nauwi.
Sa
Galing
QC.
kami sa QC. Tapos
Sorry.
dito rin naman kami nauwi sa QC. Kasi this is really parang home
Home
base.
for
Yun
us.
Yeah.
So,
Then
yeah.
dito nag-grow yung Sage community.
True. Yung experience ko naman, I was really tired last week. Wala pa nakakalam nito, wala pa ako nakapagkikwento nito. Since tayo naman, kita mo naman ako pa, kapag talagang gumagawa tayo, really coming from our emotions, from our heart, lalo na mga water signs. So, I went to Tagaytay to get the lights for this. I'm really tired. Wala akong pahinga kasi I had my training. Tapos, I had my training. Yung tired ng training ko, talagang intention kong ano yun. Kasi yung battery caravan natin is really long. So, I want my body ready as well to do that. Kasi magta-travel ako different. So, kailangan ko siyang gawin para at least ma-fulfill ko yung commitment ko to myself and even to the community na nag-commit din tayo. So, I want it to be really, ayoko kasi sabihin successful eh. Ako kasi, once I executed it, I don't want to expect anything from it. Parang ganun. Basta, I'll do my best. Nagkaroon ako ng nagtanong ako sa sarili ko, kaya ko ba to? Sabi ko, ano yung pwede kong naging isang kapitan para i-continue to. So, nag-commute ako ng LRT. Tapos, pagdating ko sa nilalagnat na ako. So, sabi ko, baka siguro nalamigan lang ako or what. Tapos, pagdating ko dun sa sa PTEX, kasi I have to take the bus from PTEX to Ang haba yung chika ko, pero may magandang to.
Punchline.
Pagbaba ko sa escalator, may sumalubong sa akin na nagmamassage. Yung nagmamassage na yun is same parang setup na nagmamassage ng mga bulag kung saan ako nagpapahilot talaga. Kasi tayo mga potters, di ba, ang sakit sa likod. You really need to have it regularly. So, since I had the training, sabi ko, okay, si Kuya parang wala pa siyang benta. So, sabi ko, sige, I'll take the risk to try this. Kasi doon lang ako sa manghihilot sa dito nagpapamassage. So, sabi ko, okay, I'll get the sabi ko, I want to have my back kasi reflexology siya. Tapos, I don't know, pero alam mo yung every hagod niya sa likod ko, alam mo yung hindi ko alam, pero nafe-feel ko yung burden niya. Na nakuha ko siya. Sabi ko, nakikita niya na nahihirapan ako sa ibang hagod niya, pero he wants to adjust. Nag-a-adjust siya for me. So parang, sabi ko, ba't ganun? Tapos bigla akong parang nahihirapan akong huminga. Sabi ko, break muna tayo. I need to catch my breath. Sabi ko, maybe I'm tired for the massage. Tapos ano mo tanong niya sa akin? kumain ka na, sir? Sabi ko, kumain na ako. I'm just tired maybe kasi I don't have enough sleep and I need to travel. This is my first time to commute. So parang, tapos, tinatanong niya ako, meron po ba kayong high blood? Sabi ko, wala akong ganyan. Sabi ko, yung healthy lifestyle naman ako. And then, tinatry niya yung best niya na mapacify ako. Sabi ko, I'm okay, kuya. Don't worry about me. I may be just tired. So, because, siguro I need to, to walk. Kasi nagsastart na ako magkaroon ng anxiety. Nangangapal na yung kamay ko. So, I don't know ano yung trigger ko. Pero wala. Then, right after that, naiyak na lang ako. Naiyak ako, totally. Sabi ko, ang labo ng buhay. Sabi ko, ang labo ng life. Ako, nagko-commute ako, I have money in my pocket, and I can choose where I can eat. And this guy offering me this service, I don't know if meron pa siyang kakainin later. So sabi ko, tapos ramdam ko yung hagod niya sa likod ko na parang, oh my God. And then, I'm doing my best to go through with this advocacy. And it gave me more strength to do it more. Alam mo yun, sabi ko, kailangan ko siyang gawin. Maybe this is the message for me na nagkaroon ako ng self-doubt na kaya ko ba to. Pero mas may kailangan na sa atin. Why we should do it. So, ayun, yun yung, wow. Ano ko, sabi ko, bakit ganito? Sabi ko, bakit ganito yung life? It's so unfair. There are a lot of distractions, intentional man yan or hindi. And some distractions are really, alam mo yun, they're just wasting money, time. Pero itong mga tao na to, na tayong gumagawa ng advocacies natin to help out, to spread out the community and strengthen it. Parang, it gives me more strength to push through it.
With Sage Garden, then it
Ano mo
has
yun?
enabled us to, because Sage is like a separate entity.
Yeah.
And, meron din kasi kaming like,
Pledge.
Charity, like pledge. Kaya may sakot na.
Sakuna.
Yung
Yeah.
yung like
Thai
Yellow Boat,
foods,
yung recent din, and Waves for Water. Then, nakapag-donate kami because of our community.
Yeah.
Then,
So,
may T-pledge,
yeah.
ganyan. It has also enabled us to give back. And it gave us the capacity then to
help
give.
more.
To help.
When it's bad. I remember nung wala pa kaming 5 months noon when we opened Sage. Tapos nangyari yung
Go
typhoon
lang,
ng Bicol. Tapos tinap ko na lang din si ate parang, should do a pledge. Pwedeng either candles, so pwedeng candles, pero wala pang tea at that time. Tapos we just posted like a pub mat na, okay, we'll be doing like 10 candle pledge. Tapos whatever you they have to buy the candles, pero 100% talaga nun would go to a specific charity or organization. Tapos, I remember, as in sold out yun, yung candles that we pledged. Tapos, we just found like a partner who's also in Bicol, direct na siya, at least we were able to donate. Tapos, I remember, may mga nagme-message pa noon sa Sage na parang, do you have candles for the pledge? Kasi I really wanna help. Tapos, yung iba nag-express na parang, sayang naubos yung candles kasi, or sana if you have your next pledge, like let me know. And these are people na like random strangers from Instagram na nag-follow lang sila. Pero they also have that, yung innate feeling na you just wanna, provide
share.
aid. Gusto na
Share and help.
Share,
So, ayun, yun ang isa sa mga core
And
values.
Yellow
maybe.
Boat din, since we're both teachers kasi.
Lahat tayo nagtuturo kasi
Yes.
tayo. We share part of our lives
What we
to
really
them.
love with Yellow Boat din kasi it's not just about yung getting yung food and water, but education is also something
Totoo.
na important na nadi-disrupt when something happens.
True. So, ayun, ang daming chicken na. Gusto ko lang i-point out na nandito tayo. Yes, we have doubts po.
Yes.
And a support coming from you guys. maybe watching us, supporting what we're doing, give us strength to move forward. Yun lang naman ang kailangan din natin eh. Let's just support each other. Yeah. And ayun nga, by saying those initiatives na ginawa nyo, thank you for doing that. Maybe hindi siya maybe hindi siya nakaabot sa amin, pero I'm sure in the future we'll be working together as close as with a common goal. And yun nga, meron po tayong kabahaging pottery program. It's already ongoing, the application. So please send your letter of intent. So again,
What is the Kabahagi?
The Kahabi Pottery Program actually is an initiative of the studio. We launched it last year, October, yung 4th anniversary natin. We will choose po yung individual. This is a pilot kasi. So we'll be starting from one student, 18 years old and above, that below family income bracket. So these are the individuals that really wanted to learn pottery or even to experience pottery na talagang gusto nilang matuto. And the studio will cater this for this individual or yung mapipili namin ng individual to learn pottery for 3 months. Then we'll ask them right after what they really want to pursue. Kung gusto ba nila maging part of the studio, or if they want to be really a practicing artist or a production potter. Then we'll do our best to give support to these individuals na makapag-move forward with their lives. Naniniwala ako kasi na it came from a very small act of kindness and it can actually, ripple and, can create a big change in their lives. Yun. So, yun.
Yeah.
So, ayan po ang ating isa sa mga projects. So, thank you, Pam. Thank you, Nika. Thank you, Sage Garden. So, we're really hoping na makita namin po kayo dito sa ating Valentine's.
Yeah, just the first.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ang haba nung episode na to, pero worth it.
So much
Yeah. So, baka mag-ano tayo dito, two parts. So, ito 2 parts po natin sa part 1, part 2. So, this will be aired po sa ating YouTube channel, AMT Ceramics, and Spotify. So, we have also Spotify. Pareho po sila nagla-live once we, go live it. So, ayun. Again, our featured artist, Pam Quinto, and Nika, one of our barista. I mean, one of the owners of Sage Garden, and our host.
I'm Abby.
I'm AM Trujillo, and thank you for watching. Putik yan! One more.
Hindi na
Alright. And thank you for watching. Putik yan! Yeah. Thank you, Pat.
Yay! Thank you.